We got some background music for the bar.
Yep.
Welcome to Calvados Cocktails. Derek and Dan are going to make for you a cocktail. Ian's going to play guitar in the background so we have like some ambiance. So
yeah,
we're like
that's the way we roll.
It's like we're at a real bar where they have like the stuff going on in the background.
Yeah,
We just
it's
need
like
a crowd.
live.
I can add a crowd in post.
Yeah.
Woo! Make some people mumbling in the background. Today we're going to make a drink that Stephan Foisy sent us. It's called the Applejack Cocktail. I guess it's from Dale DeGroff. This is kind of the after show. Shit's still all over the place and chaos.
But we're going to make a drink.
I figure we might as well record it.
Yeah.
I'll put it out on like some off
hours.
We don't need ice for this, I'm going to guess, even though we have all this beautiful clear ice over here.
We could put it in a rocks glass with a. We could make ice while we make the drink. And we could put it in a rocks glass.
Make ice like this?
Yeah. Look, we'll take.
We have one already.
Jen, come here. Here, let's double up.
Alright. Do we have enough to make ice?
We definitely have enough to make ice. Here.
You're recording.
Yeah, you can walk by. I can jump cut it. Not a big deal.
All right. So while we make the drink.
Should we double it then?
So while we make the drink, we can double it. So while we make the drink, we'll make.
That's not going to be completely spherish, but
that's okay.
We can do our best. We'll make a ice sphere for it, and then we'll just double the.
We're not going to have 4. You think we're going to have 4 ounces in there?
Well, if we only have 3.5, use it all.
Okay.
If we don't have enough, then we'll tell everybody we did.
And they won't know.
Yeah. What are they going to do? Impeach us?
Oh, look at that.
It's close. So I don't think I said what it was going to be. It's going to be 2 ounces of Applejack or Calvados, 3/4 ounce of Orange Curaçao. Orange Curaçao. That's clear Curaçao. I don't know if I have Orange Curaçao, so... Oh, I do.
Well, look at that.
We're going to need to double it.
Okay.
Whatever 3/4 times 2 is 1/2 1/2.
I got it.
Is that enough?
Yep.
Again, we can always fake it.
Got it? No, we don't have to fake anything.
Ice is almost ready.
We got this.
And then 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, 2 ounces of orange bitters. We're going to use Regans, available at awesomedrinks.com. I don't know when this video is going to go up, so I won't give you a coupon code, but if you go to awesomedrinks.com, you can buy shit there. It would be awesome. We're not going to need this glass. Got a clear ice sphere or so.
So.
And we'll take that, put that in here. We'll spin it.
Spin it.
It's not completely circular though, so.
It's not spinning like yours.
It's not as good. The ice wasn't as big.
We used all the good pieces already.
We tried.
But it's still clear ice. So it'll be just as good from my perspective.
Yeah.
This is apparently a Dale DeGroff recipe from what Stephan Foisy.
You know what? I should have.
Just put bitters in there. Put bitters, do a double, like a little shake. Boom, done.
We'll shake.
Boom.
It's good.
And you got yourself an Applejack cocktail. Shit, if it was only that easy, right? That's actually a lot of fucking cocktails.
Shit.
Boom.
Hope it's good.
So right there, clear ice, can't even
Clear
see
ice.
it in there.
Looks like it's totally full.
Oh, hold on. Boom.
Yeah, the ice looks like an apple.
It does.
That's why we.
You know what though?
Made it that way?
The fact that the circle is a flat
Yeah.
on the top, look at it, it fits
Look at
right
it.
on top of that.
Look, and you can see right down in the drink. Oh, Ian, that's pretty crazy.
Oh shit.
You're missing it.
You're missing
You
it.
can see the bubbles or whatever.
Yeah.
He's serenading you.
I know, he's missing it. It's like being in that boat. You can look down and see all the sharks. Yeah, look at it.
That belongs on Instagram, maybe.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, there you go.
It's just cool
Fucker.
as you guys make it up.
Look at it. That's pretty cool.
You know what?
Just saying.
Now I gotta just look it up from my phone here.
I don't know.
Oh my god. Ian, you bastard. Alright, boom.
It's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. I'll see if I can get a good filter for you, Ian.
Sigh.
How is it?
It's good. It's appley. It's a little strong on the back.
Oh my god. It's really strong. It's strong and a little bit bitter.
A little bit bitter.
I would blame that on Stephan Foisy's choice of tastes. Because he likes the stronger product with a little bit bitter in it. So this has that little sour note to it. But it's kind of like a Granny Smith apple, like the bitterness.
It is. It's actually, it's good
Dry.
because every other like apple drink you think you're gonna have is usually super. It's like sugary, like sweet, like cinnamon.
Oh yeah.
And this is more like apple.
There's no fucking pumpkin.
No fucking pumpkin, no fucking spices. It's just
Hey, there's
Spice.
nothing wrong with pumpkin spice.
If you're a wine
the
drinking white
producer
chick,
keeps talking. Oh,
Oh, you got a basic bitch. Oh, you got a basic bitch. Yeah, okay.
it's not bad. It's a good fall drink.
yeah.
A little bitter. I like more sweet in my drink because I drink it faster. I guess that's a problem. But I like a little sweet in the cocktail.
But it's
This
good.
one-
If someone, I mean, someone that wants a fallish drink that
It's not
isn't
super sour.
that
like
isn't
honey.
like your normal. Tastes like apple cider with
Right.
like rum, right? But it's actually
Apple
I think
brandy sour.
it's refreshing.
Apple brandy sour.
Apple brandy cider. It's
Granny Smith apple brandy
we
sour.
could use like a hit of like sugar though.
Sugar. What about cinnamon pumpkin spice?
No pumpkin spice. No fucking
Fuck pumpkin spice.
You need to go and you need to get a fucking round ice because that makes everything better.
I'll put on backwards.
Yeah. Shit.
You need clear ice.
You need
I have a
clear
clear
ice.
ice video.
You need a ball crusher.
I have a. If you need an ice press, I got another
Yeah.
video. I guess I can't put them that close together, but there'll be another video. And then
You'll see it
Then you need Applejack. That's really
because
it.
you watch all the videos.
Yeah, you gotta go on awesomedrinks.com and get yourself some Regans Bitters.
Yeah, maple syrup. That could
Maple syrup would be
like a little, like just quarter ounce of maple syrup.
Hold
You'd have
on.
to shake it in though.
What? But I actually might have.
Like a bar. I don't know. It might ruin it.
No, I don't have.
Sugar
It.
might ruin it.
Ironically, I don't have any maple syrup down here at the moment. I have molasses. I have agave nectar. I have white sugar cubes. I have turbinado sugar and honey and more agave. But no, none of that.
Add a dash or two of dimmer sugar in the cocktail.
You know, it's just on the end of the taste, and it's because I'm telling you, there's a lot of people that don't like the sugary taste of a cocktail.
Yeah, Stephan's one.
Yeah, Stephan's one, and this is perfect. I think it's perfect.
So you don't think it needs any of that?
I think that might just make it. Maple syrup, I think, could be.
Maple syrup would be fun.
Yeah, I think it would
Because
give it a
fits
little.
fits the apple.
Yeah.
flavor.
But I'm telling you, this is like an apple drink.
Without being apple
It's
schnapps.
like,
Yeah, without being.
The depth of analysis.
You like that?
The insightful
Fucking
rhymings.
it's an asshole.
The insightful rhymings of Dan.
That's why we made him go play guitar.
Right. Sometimes, like,
He's
he
a
could just be a
dink.
douche, and you gotta like, you gotta set him down and be like, why don't you sit down?
Time for time out.
You've got too much. You've had too much exercise. You need to sit down and fucking play video games. So that's all. I just wanted to make sure we covered it, and because
It's good.
Mr. Foisy sent us like a $5
You should make it.
donation, I think everybody should do that. You guys should think about going to maybe patreon.com/CMC or clicking the join button and helping to fund our next camera upgrade. I was looking at some cameras online. There's some pretty neat options out there for 4K, so you can see all this stuff in brilliant 4K. You can see all of Dan's hairs growing in. You have
Yeah,
to shave, Dan.
I know.
See? You would be
It
able to
was
say
a
that.
long day.
That's it, my friends. Sidebar. More videos down below. Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. That's it. I think I said it already. So we're teaching how to drink.
Every day.